In front of me is UMIDIGI F1, and let me show you how to activate night mode on the following device. So first of all, you need to open Settings, then find and select Display, and here click on Night Light. And you can smoothly turn it on right now by using Turn On Now. And now it is active. Here you can personalize the intensity. And if you'd like to switch it off, just use the same switcher. You can also schedule your night light. To do it, just tap on Schedule. And here you've got two options, so it can be turned on from sunset to sunrise, or you can customize time, so just click on Custom Time and now pick Start and End Time. So it can be active from 10:15 till 5 AM next day. And from now on, every day between those hours, nightlight would be active. You can also reach nightlight through the upper bar, smoothly slide it up, and now you can activate it quickly by using the switcher. Now as you can see, it is active, and then you can turn it off the same way. And that would be all. This is how you can protect your eyes by using the night light. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.